Here we have a nice breakout off of these lows, teeny straight right up to the high. And one of our free trial people have said, hey, Mario, I'm not sure, but I think that that's a slide the bid. Well, you darn right that it is. You got 4 diamonds here, and that diamond, and you're below it. Look at that. That's an alert. A 4 diamond alert with a diamond, and sliding that bid again live in action on the entry as we got people like Chino buying that $330 put in the money on an intraday level. And we're going to see just how many teenies down we go. And if my system is correct, I believe a teeny is 15 pennies today, SMF MMTs. Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas for breakouts like this in the SMF Market Maker platform. Buy action bars, breakouts all day long, and then selling off short to the left side of the market. And here's a diamond down here. Here's a half bar, a diamond to the half. There was a diamond to the half bar. Look at that wick grow right back up to those tops. So that's all in the volatility right here of 15 cents in the bid and ask. Here it is right now. Let's take a look at it. I got 325.04 by 04.02. So the high was only 25 pennies. That's not much of a ratio. So the more diminished the pullback, bam, you could break out on those highs. Again, if we keep continuing to slide, though, then we stay the course. That's typically what happens with these teeny value contractions, and then they whip it right back up, and it's going to do exactly what I said. So you're very strong in the IR, no matter what, on the pullback. So that's about as far as reversal as you would get, Jim. And what happens is that he came down here and he tested that, and as he started to go up a teeny, that's where everything else, including the IR, including your bid and ask ratios, that's these right here, they were clocking breakouts. We did a 0.45 on the high, and we slid back to 0.38. That's where the price is just holding relevant at that level until that buyer or seller decides to give way. Either we're going to break out very quickly, and we would look for the buyers to chase the move again, and or they're going to slide that bid. But they are managing to hold that right there at elevated levels here and elevated levels here. 0.41 is going back up to break the highs. So it depends on where you stay. 0.42, whoa, but you're back to 0.4. That's how your prices are going to fluctuate. They're going to fluctuate accordingly to this current trend ratio right here. 0.43, 44, 0.45 was the high. And you want to break out in price action, but you're not taking out that teeny line until you do just that. So if you don't break up here, then you need to be selling into the move and banking the rest of your breakout profits at this particular final top of the day on Apple Computer, and you've been given a gift on that price action. So basically, let's go ahead and recap it. That's that nice shakeout over here, okay? It's right here is where taking that and then selling at the top. That's what you're supposed to do, is sell at the top. And you can always get back in on the teeny downs when they would pop again.